What up guys, how you guys doing? I'm Thales and we're back with another how-to slice. In today's how-to slice video, we're going to be checking out a really nice low poly light. So let's go to the video. So this is the lion. As you can see, this is a really nice light. We got the lion right here and the base. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best print settings to print it. So let's go. First off, we're going to start, we're going to be taking a look at the base settings. So let's go to the print settings. Right here on the print settings, if we take a look in layers and parameters, we're going to be printing the layer height at 0.2 millimeters, the standard, so we do not have to change anything. And the walls, we're going to be leaving at 3 because we want a really rigid model. Going over to infill, we're going to be increasing to 10% just so we can get a really dense part. So we got a really rigid and strong base for our light. We're going to be selecting gyroid infill pattern. Gyroid is a really nice infill pattern because it prints in waves, so your printer never goes on a straight line. This reduces the chance of your print failing while printing the infill, so this is quite nice. Going over to skirt and brim, this model does not need any brim because it's optimized for printing, but if you have some bad adhesion issues, I do recommend cleaning your build plate, especially for this part that it's quite thin. So clean your build plate with some isopropylic alcohol or detergent just to get a really clean surface to print on. Oils from your finger and dust impact a lot the bad adhesion. And feel free to add a fine layer of glue stick to print this model right here. But you do not need any brim, you can be printing without brim. But if you're feeling insecure, you can be adding some brim. But right here, going over to support material, this model is optimized for printing, so we do not need any support material. Going over to speed, we can be printing both of these parts with the standard print speed because this is not a too difficult model. I do recommend always printing slower if you can. It's better to print slowly, have a good print, good cooling. You do not need to print it fast. Right here on the first layer speed, I have reduced from 30 to 20 millimeters a second. This is going to be quite nice because the first layer is the most important layer. All of the other layers are going to go on top of this one, so get a solid foundation and a good first layer. So now we are ready to slice just the base. So let's do that. So as you can see, we have slice. It's going to take 1 hour and 56 minutes to print. It looks quite nice and a really rigid model right here. So this is fantastic, a really simple print. Let's go to the lion itself that needs some specific settings. So if you go over to print settings, everything is going to be the same as I said. Just right here on layers and parameters, we're going to be reducing the number of walls to 2 just so light can shine through. And right here on infill, we're going to be selecting 0% infill. The rest is the same as I have said before. Brim is optional, you do not need, but if you feel insecure and you have some bad adhesion issues, you can be adding a little bit of a brim, but it's not necessary, it's not crucial. But feel free to add to guarantee a good quality print. Now we are ready to slice, so let's do that. So as you can see, we have slice. It's going to take 8 hours and 38 minutes to print on a standard Ender 3v3 SE. Right here, there is 2 layers, so this looks quite nice. It looks fantastic. Light can shine through, and this is a really beautiful model. This is not going, this overhang, this inside overhang, it's not going to worry too much because it's going to be the inside part, but it looks really nice. So grab a really nice film that you have laying around and print this model. Choose lighter colors so light can shine through and enjoy. So the models are ready to print. Make sure you check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STLFlix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.